Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. So today I'm going to be unrevealing my Ipsy box, which is the second level. And this month's theme for November is Wild Side. It says this month dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipstick, passion projects, far-flung destination. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of yourself. And this month we have in the box is Doucce Punk Much Volumizer Mascara in Black, Ciate London Dewy Skin Stick and Glow, Elamesque Hydro Veil Primer, GiGi Gorgeous Less is More Lip Gloss and Get It Into It, and Murad Rapid Release Acne Spot Treatment. And I need that. I've been breaking out from using some of these beauty bombs. Alright, so let's start with the Elasticus. I think I'm saying the name correctly. Alright. So let's see here. Oh, it comes with a little, what is this? I'm supposed to tear this off? Alright, that's how it looks. Jelly-like. Looks like it needs to be mixed in. Oh, it opens, it doesn't come off completely. Okay, I got it. So it opens like that. Okay. I look forward to trying this. I'm always up to trying something new. How else do you get through life unless you try something new? You never know what is out there unless you try something new. You'll always be stuck doing the same old thing as long as you keep yourself in a box. I like to think outside the box and beyond. Alright, so we have the Murad Acne Control Rapid Release Acne Spot Treatment. Now either I would keep this for myself or give it to my niece. I use, which is, some people are going to say, oh no, how can you? I use alcohol to clean my face. My face is super oily. When I mean super oily, my glasses get oil all over it just from wearing it because my face is just that oily. So when I use alcohol, it controls the oil for at least a few hours. So I always have to wash my face with oil before I put makeup on, and then once I take makeup off, and then before I go to bed. So sometimes I do it 2 or 3 times a day to control the oil so that my face doesn't break out. Alright, so this is what this looks like. Oh, it's already, what you call it? Okay. Got no acne on my hands, but yeah, I haven't decided yet whether I'm gonna let my niece have it or I keep it. I've been breaking out from some of these beauty cleansers. Well, not so much the cleansers, but the beauty bombs that you put on your face and leave for overnight. It's been breaking me out. So I'm having, once I put them on, I have to wait 30 minutes to let some of it soak in and then clean the rest of it off within 30 minutes, or else I will wake up with pimples all over my face. Alright, this is the Doucce mascara. Alright, so let's see what this one looks like. That's what it looks like. Look like it could do some good work. Put it right back in the box. I already got mascara that is open. Right now I'm juggling 2. So don't need to be touching other mascaras that I have to use up before I know it. So this is the Ciate Dewy Stick. Okay. Is this it? That's it. And it does go up. Does it go back down? Yeah, it goes back down. Alright, so let's try it out here. You see it? It just makes your hand look kind of wet. I don't know about this just yet. I don't think I look forward to trying it, but I'm gonna try it anyways. You know, when I do my makeup. And last but not least, it's this makeup bag. Now, I'm gonna say this much. I don't mind getting the bags now in the box, which I thought should have been happening a long time ago. Because if you can give it to the smaller makeup bags, and you can give it to the other two premium ones that you have. But what I don't want this bag to be small, because this is really small for me because I have a lot of makeup that I do put into my bag. I put a lot of makeup. My makeup bag is so heavy. My purse, when people grab it, even mans, when I asked them to hold my bag, would say, "Oh my goodness, what the hell you got in here? No wonder you have a bad bag." So this is small to me. I feel that we should get the same bag as the level 3, upper level 3, instead of the lower level 1 type bags. So I'll probably be looking forward to giving this to someone else in my family, or putting it together for like I like to give gifts, mostly because we don't celebrate Christmas and we don't celebrate New Year's. We used to celebrate New Year's like it was Christmas. We would give each other gifts. But now, since our pastor has found that celebrating New Year's is also a sin, I'm not going to explain it, but we no longer celebrate New Year's anymore. So now when I do gifts, I have to do gifts for people's birthdays. So what I do is I go all out. What I would have bought for you for Christmas and New Year's, I now buy for you on your birthday. And I like to put together makeup kits for females, because females are often, some of the female peoples in my family are often to makeup, and some of them have never been able to afford expensive makeup. So when they get it from me, they like it. So I like to spoil them like that. So what I'll probably do is wait for someone's birthday to come around and add this, and make my own makeup kit for them and add this to it, because this is not my style by any means. So anyways, thank you for watching. So depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless.